The topic for today is how to renew the Autodesk student license free of cost. Generally, the Autodesk student license is valid for 1 year, and it can be renewed every year up to the validity of your student ID. When your student license is near to expire, you will receive an email notification. To renew the license, open the renewal email and click on Renew. After clicking, it will redirect you to the Autodesk website. If you already have an Autodesk account, click on Sign In. If you don't have a student account in Autodesk, you can follow my previous video on how to create a student account, whose link is given below. Click Sign In. Enter your login ID. Click Next. Enter your password. Click on Sign In and wait for the page to load. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed. After logging in, you can see the Educational Access Expiry message appeared. Click on Renew. After clicking, first customer details will appear, which were submitted during student account creation. Next, scroll down to Educational Institute details. Here, all the previous data will be pre-filled. Here you can see details of the state not appearing. Click on State. Scroll down and find out your state code. Select your state. Next, verify your all institutional details and also verify your enrollment information. Next, click on the checkbox to accept the information's authenticity. Click on Continue. Here you can see that after clicking, educational verification is not appearing. Let's scroll up. Here you can see in the address bar, it's showing field is invalid. Sometimes Autodesk will auto-detect the address, which may not match your provided details. Hence, select the nearest matching address. Let's scroll down. Next, click on the checkbox if it is not clicked. Click on Continue. After clicking, it will redirect you to the product page. Let's scroll up. Here you can see the Confirmation tab for renewing Autodesk Educational Access appeared. Click on Continue. After clicking, sometime it may redirect you to the Educational ID sign-in page. If you have an Educational ID, you can log in. Otherwise, click on the Autodesk tab. Again, click on Continue. After clicking, you can see your educational institution details are verified. Let's scroll down. The next stage is uploading identity information. You will get 14 days to upload your documents, which may be school transcript, school-issued confirmation letter, or school ID. Click on Browse. After clicking, the file location window will appear. Select your ID image. Click Open. After clicking, the document will be uploaded. Next, scroll down. Click on Continue. After clicking, again it will redirect you to the product page. Let's scroll up. Here you can see your educational verification completed. Next, click on Submit. After clicking, you will get a thank you message. When all the steps have been completed successfully, Autodesk will send you a confirmation email. Let's open the confirmation email. Here you can see your educational access is renewed for 1 more year. Click on Get Products. After clicking, it will redirect you to the product download page. For example, click on the Select tab under Revit. After clicking, it will redirect you to the 1-year subscription plan. Click on Select. After clicking, the subscription summary will appear. Click on Submit. After clicking, the confirmation page will appear. Click on Access Product. After clicking, it will redirect you to the product download page. Let's scroll down. Click on the arrow next to the Install tab. From here, you can do a custom install or download the product. Next, click on the Revit version. From here you can select the Revit version. So in this process, you can renew your Autodesk student license. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.